Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I'm just gonna do a little bit talk. I'm about to go to work right now, but I'm just gonna talk a little bit for my vlog when we went to the zoo. So I have two videos, and because it's gonna be too long to upload it, so I have part 1 and part 2. So I'm gonna just talk a little bit and add it on my clips. It was so fun to visit the zoo and see all the type of animals that I've never seen in my entire life. So they are so adorable, guys. You can touch them, stare at them. There's so many things that good stuff happened that time when we went to the zoo. We went to the zoo at March 6th. So yeah, I have fun for Wednesday vlog, guys. Ang laki ng lion, guys. Ano naman nandito, guys, sa elephant. Yan. Promise, ang ganda talaga ng view dito, guys. Yan. There's an airplane. Look, honey, there's an airplane. Right there. Airplane, guys. Ayun. There's an airplane, though. So, ooh, there's an airplane. Ang cute. Like,
oh, so cute. Can I have you?
ang cute.
Yeah. If I had something as cute as you, I'd probably leave the kids alone more.
Dito kami, guys, sa elephant area. Yan yung elephant.
Hi, baby.
Oh, they are so cute. Ayun, guys, yung elephant. Ooh, I like the lightning here. So beautiful. I can see through it on my camera. Next, guys, elephant. Oh my god, I'm cute. Look at that. Is that nose singing on the ground? Oh wow. They got two.
He's sniffing around with his, but I don't know if he's
Cute.
finding
Hi,
anything.
elephant.
What you doing?
And ayan silang dalawa. Hey, 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 hey. Do you
Jumbo, raise
speak
your ears.
English or no habla español? No?
No habla español.
Tagalog? No?
Look, Garden of the Gods.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, then that's why we're going next, guys. Garden of the
Yes,
God.
you'll get good pictures at sundown
Can't
there
even see it
because I was seeing some of
Yeah,
it.
but we are going. Our next destination is that way, guys.
Here.
From up here. Oh, sorry,
Yeah,
Dan.
yeah.
I don't want to go to.
From up here, you can really tell where see the luxury.
I think that's it, right in the middle.
Look at that big pool
Yeah.
in the middle of that resort.
It's right there.
Dan, look at the resort from here and the pools on the inside and stuff.
I think.
So lakad ulit, guys. What our next destination, honey?
Yeah,
So yay.
it's a nice wall.
Lakad ulit. Pabalik na. Balik na kami, guys. Medyo malamig na. And I can hear the lion. So,
Oh my gosh. Are you okay? Do you want a kiss?
today is black and white rough lemon. Yung tsura niya. Tapos ayun siya. Yan. Nandun siya sa cage niya. Nasa cage niya siya.
Yeah, well, in towns in South America, these guys will come down and steal your shit.
Of course.
They'll running around the town, they'll steal from
Crazy
cars,
ass and run.
stores,
Grab it
grab
like
your
a human,
sunglasses.
but a monkey.
Monkey.
Because you're so, yeah, you just take all our stuff and run.
If you go to the Mayan ruins,
So pretty, huh?
if you go to the Mayan ruins, they'll steal.
Hi, slut. How are you, slut? Hi. You're enjoying out there, huh?
I don't really. My goodness, look at those long claws you have to hang on with.
I'm amazed he's awake. They sleep like 16 hours a day.
Okay.
Yep.
He's just barely moving. He's like almost asleep.
Oh my gosh, this is really slow.
Yeah, that's why they call it a sloth.
Look at her, guys, how she or he moves. Very slow. Hi! Oh, you're looking at the camera. Hello.
That's so cute.
It's so slow. That's how they called it slut, because he moves or she moves like very slow.
He does.
It's so
cool
cute.
watching him move.
Bye for now, slut. Bye.
Go to sleep again, you're so.
Get up here. Asiatic bear.
Black.
Black bear.
Ayun sila, guys,
Come
sa
on, boy.
ano, ang layo nila. But
That's why you always see Russians beating up.
yan yung itsura niya, guys. Yan.
God, they're really big. They don't
Yeah.
look.
Go, guys. So bears, monkey, and purple zone. Guys, it's getting cold. It's getting cold right now. The lion is still making noise.
Steam out, use the back of your throat.
Hi, honey.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Pretty good too. Enjoying the park.
Oh, monkeys are throwing a fit.
Yeah. Did you hear that?
Can you hear the monkeys now? Every time we eat.
Oh my god, that was crazy. Monkey is making noise.
Bears yell at you 'cause it's getting bad.
American beaver.
It's got a big tail to slap you with.
I can't. No, it's hard to see in the camera though.
How about
It's too dark.
The
No,
beaver's
honey,
named
it doesn't
Ginger.
work. Sorry, guys, you cannot see. It's too dark inside.
She eats wood.
you just need to?
Is that tail?
There we go. Oh yeah. Just gotta block the light.
Oh
The
my
largest
god.
rodent
There
in
you go.
North America and can weigh up to 70 pounds.
So good naman tayo, guys. Oh my god, it's so cute. Hello. Hi.
You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful.
So you guys, I'm not crazy about mud.
Oh my god. Hello.
No.
Do you want to
But I
sit
love
to
you
yourself?
guys.
You bring the portable charger? We could charge it in the car.
Yes, I do. Hi. Hello. Hi. There you go. Got you. So that's it for that part 2 vlog, guys. Hope you enjoy my vlog, and if you're new here, thank you so much and you're welcome to my channel. So that's it for that part 2 vlog, guys. Hope you enjoy my vlog, and if you're new here, thank you so much and you're welcome to my channel. And please do give it a big thumb up if you like my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye.